Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gigs in Pacific Blue. So let's get into the video. So let's keep this aside first. Inside the box you get the USB Type-C to Lightning cable and your paperwork, your Apple sticker, your SIM ejector tool. Unfortunately this year there's no charging brick in the box and there's no headphones, so that's what you get. Let's keep this aside. Let's Ooh. So as it's booting up, on the right side you have the power button, you have the charging port and speakers, you have the SIM tray, you have the volume rocker up and down, and then the notification slider, and then at the back you have your 3 cameras. I also got a pouch for the phone, so let's put that. So that's a very short unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below what content you might like to see on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.